This is Dave Mev Lotto Odds. It is May 8th, 2026. Okay, so I've got another great video for you guys. I want to talk about strategy in this video. Okay, because I've got a member who really gets this and he's been winning back to back. And I want you guys to start utilizing this feature here, right? The popular Pairsums, and start winning like this guy, okay? And you can win more. And I want to elevate his level of winning to another level, higher level, okay? I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. First of all, he's working with the popular Pairsums here, right? He's going through these, and I believe he's utilizing the ranges and just picking a range and then playing multiple states. But I'm going to show him a different way how to do this, okay? I'm going to show him how to combine this page, right, with Lotto Odds page, okay? Let me just do this. Okay, actually, I posted everything for him on here, explaining it, which you could see it in the forum as well. It's under the title CT and NH winners. This is where he's posting all his winners. Okay, so let me just expand this, and I'm going to show you a real cool strategy. Okay, first of all, hold on a second. Bear with me 1 second when I fix this. All right. So first of all, when you look at all this, right, you don't know for sure what range is coming. You'll do your research and everything like that. The program will show you what's overdue. But wouldn't it be nice if you could have another way to really help you see what could really come out? Any draw now? Like what range? I'm going to show you how to do that with the Lotto odds, okay? I'm going to go to Lotto odds here, and I'm going to go to the auto predict page. And I'm going to go down here to the view history, right? Click that on, and it's going to show me all, right? All the charts for the Pick3 charts for all the states. What I want you to look at is I want you to look at here the draw count, okay, right? You have a draw count on AI Pick4, right? And you have a draw count here. Now, a lot of you should know what all this is. We haven't covered this in quite a while. There are videos on Lotto Odds' YouTube channel, but I'm going to explain it to you here. This draw count goes with this Pairsums. It signals to you when one of these Pairsums are going to repeat. Look at the green here. You see the border here, the green by the Pairsums on both sides. Do you see the brown here? Okay. And then do you see the red all the way down here? Right? Sahara land, man, the desert. So I call it because it could go on and on and on and on and on. Okay? Well, a lot of times the numbers, the Pairsums in the desert are going to come out from the desert and they're going to pop into the green border, or they're going to pop into here, the brown. Now, I want you to count this. Look, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you have 5 right down here, brown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, let me go back real quick to AI Pick 4, and I want you to look at this numbers. You see 0, 9? See 0, 9? 0, 9 on all these? You see that 0, 9? Okay, that's basically what this is also. Okay, 0, 9. It's taking you here. The first four are green. The second 5, right, are brown, which is 9. 0 to 9. Now, could you tell that one of these are going to hit next? Here, the draw count. You see the desert here, all red? The more red that you get, accumulates, is signaling that it's going to flip. It's going to flip to either a green or a brown. And if it flips to a green or a brown, guess what, guys? It is 0 to 9 range. 0 to 9 range. So if we go back here, if you look at this AR, if you look at AR and you look at 0 to 9 range, right? Look at the Pairsum. It also dictates what Pairsum could only be the one that could hit. You go 0 to 9. You see all these 0 to 9s? It's only 822, 921, 1032, 732, 723, 1131, and 1011. Those are the only possible Pairsums that could hit if green or brown would hit next, okay? Keep that in mind, right? Remember, one of them is 822. If you go, you compare that. You compare what you just did. You compare it to here, the predicted, right? The states and the predicted pair sums. Look at AR, right? Because we looked at in the lotto pool, this is AR, state AR, and we saw what the pair sums would do if brown or green would hit. One of them is 822. Look what the prediction is in AR. It's 822. Okay? And look what 09 shows you. It shows you that 09 is overdue. If you click 09, you have only two numbers. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Numbers 017 and 124. So if green hits next, it could hit with an 822. Okay, it could hit with an 822. And I'm going to show you how to grab all the numbers for all these. They're very low numbers. Okay, anyway, there could be 822. 822 comes out in the next draw. It's going to be one of these two winners. Okay, that's how you can win big. And you can utilize this chart and just go through down each of the states, and start looking at, look, green is could be due here for DC. Okay, this is going to signal you when you know that 0 and 9 is going to hit. Okay, look at that, and just find the states. Just search around for the states like this. KS, maybe come out brown or green. All you need to do is find a brown or green. Okay, like this. KY, see that? See all the red? Right, that's another 0 to 9 candidate right there. So, ooh, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is hot. This is hot. All right, ME, Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, they deal with the same system, okay, for picking numbers. All right, so hold on. Let's look at this. Let's look at the prediction if they have it here. Vermont, ME. Do we have it? We don't even need it. We could just do the search on our own. Vermont, I don't see it here, but it doesn't matter, because we're going to do it on our own. Search, hold on. Did I pass something? You might see just Vermont. I don't think I put them all together on this AI Pick3 yet. There's so much tweaking going on. All right, hold on. It doesn't matter. I'm going to show you another way how to pull the numbers if it isn't predicted here. It might just not have a prediction. But anyway, you've got AI, and let's see anything else. So just go down here. Let's go down here. What's another candidate? What's another good? Ooh, New York. Definitely. Definitely New York. Jump on this. 09. 09. Green, brown is going to hit soon. So if it hits next, it's going to be either 822. See that? 7s, 11s, 10 here, 9 here, another 10s. Okay? That's what can only hit what's in the brown and green pair of sums. If we look at New York, is there a prediction for New York for today? New York. Let's see. New York. I wouldn't be surprised if it had overdue 0 and 9. New York. There it is. New York here, right here, right here. Interesting. Now this is not 100% right. This is not telling you the future. This is probabilities. Okay, so 09 could hit next and it might not be in here. Okay, because this is just probabilities, but you can pull the numbers yourself. I'm going to show you how to do that. If you're working on Pick 4, you could go to the lotto pool right there. Okay, you could go to the lotto pool and you could put the numbers in here. For example, look, we looked at AR, right? State, I'm here. We looked at 822, right? And we looked at 009. Look at the numbers, 017, 124. And see here at here. We saw at the prediction here, popular pair sums. Look at, we did 09. It's the same thing, 017, 124. 097, 124. 822, hold on. 822. 017, 124. 017, 124. All right, now what you can do is you could grab all these pair sums from the AR, right? AR state. So the pair sums that showed you, A lot of states, huh? Okay. Is 10-1-1, 11-3-1, 10-1-1, 10-1-1, 11-3-1, 11-3-1, 7-2-3, 7-3-2, 7-2-3, 7-2-3, 7-3-2. Okay, we did that, 7-3-2. Okay, 10-3-2, 9-2-1, 10-3-2, 9-2-1, 10-3-2, 9-2-1, 8-2-2. We did the 8-2-2. So you've got that right there. And look, guys, with all those pair sums that you put in, look how many numbers you have. 9. Oh, yes, they will win. One of them will win. I'm telling you right now. Let's look at the 9 numbers. So you got 017, 124. You've got 068, 156. You've got 378, 001. You've got 556. And you've got 236057 for the next draw. Now, to let you know, now each draw, when each draw happens, if a green or brown doesn't come out, a different pair sum could come out. So it's going to change this whole line. So say if, let's see, a different pair sum comes out that's not in there, like say 912. Yeah, 912 is not in. So if 912 comes in there, now you've got the last one here. 822 drops off. But since you have another 822 there, you still have the same pair of sums, just an extra pair of sum. Just know, as each draw comes by, if the green or brown does not hit, then a new pair of sum comes in on the top, and the last one pair of sum drops off. So you've got a new list of pair of sums, okay, to look at and to punch into here. This is huge, guys. You're going to catch so easily these 0 and 9 ranges, 0 and 9 ranges, by simply looking at how these reds come back to back, and it's overdue. And how many draws do you think is going to take for you to get you? Look, you're only dealing with 9 numbers. If you're dealing with 9 numbers, how many draws do you think it'll take until this red wears out, right? And you get a brown or a green, right? So especially New York. New York is hot. It is going to hit. Let's do New York. It's going to hit a green or brown. Very, like, could be. Look at this. But brown hit. So it's overdue. Green. It's overdue a green. All right, so let's just do the green. Let's just do the green. The green means if it hits next draw, it can only be one of these 4 pair sums: 822, 723, 1113, and 1032. Okay, so let's do that. Let's go to New York. All right, let's go to New York here. Let's refresh this. Let's go to New York. All right, and we're going to do range, of course, 0 to 9. All right, and then we're going to turn off these pair of sums, and we're going to pick 822, 723, 822, 822, 723, 723, and 1113 and 1032. 1113, 1032. 1113, 1032. Okay. Wow. 5 numbers, guys. 5. I'm telling you, this thing works. It will win. One of these 5 numbers will win. 116, 139, 024, 249, or 146. The condition on lotto odds that the green would have to come out here. Green. Okay. If a brown comes out, then it's going to be one of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One of these pair of sums right there. Okay? But if a green comes out, it's going to be one of these 5 numbers, guaranteed. Guaranteed. Now, remember, if the green doesn't come out next, okay, it's going to have another pair of sum coming up here, and this whole line is going to shift down. Okay? Very easy to understand. All right? Now, let me see here. If I go to, I want to show him something because I talked about, let me just go here. Let me just show him this. Because I told him you could come here and you just could click on the top here. What did I tell him? told him, I think it was in the history page. Yeah, if you go to the history page, you can review all these. So if you go to the history page, let's see here. Told him, oh, turn on this, the wrong, like that, turn on that. And you could see all the 09s, 09s that came out. See, the pair sum was wrong, but the 091. See that? Let's see here. Let's see more. Let's see some more. We're looking at 09s at 1 with a wrong pair sum. Here's 09 at 1, overdue too. Let's see, 09, 09, 091 here. Oh, no, not 091 there. Yeah, 091 there too, when you see correct. 09. Let's see. In some more 09s. Here's another 09. Wrong pair sum, but 09 still 1. You still could pull up the numbers. Okay. Let's see. Any more 09s? 09s. Here's another 09. See, pair sum was wrong, but the 09 still 1. Okay, so you could play with the draws. That's what I was showing him. All right. So let's see. All right, that's it, guys. All right, there's another 09, correct. Wrong pair sum, but there's another 09. They hit constantly, constantly. This is huge, guys. You should get on this real quick. All right, and so I gave you a really strong, powerful strategy that's going to help you win huge. And so I'm still coding everything and tweaking it. There's so much tweaking going on. But I want to start getting this finished so I could get into the lotto pool. Then I want to start talking to you guys with strategies like what I just showed you here. I've got so many cool strategies that will win big, okay? And I wish you the best.